So guys, welcome to my channel. You can see this is gigabyte.com website. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side search button, click to type and then press type your model number, then hit enter. Z790 AORUS master. Click on product. This one. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11. If you have any operating system, so you can install any version. You can watch this video and install any operating system. VGA, Intel graphic card driver. This is size. Just click to download. It will take some time to download and depend about your internet. And then open which is downloaded VGA driver. So this is extracted. So just double click of exe. You can see this is exe. Then click to yes. Now this is this is installing. It will close means your VGA driver is installed. So it is done and then close it.